Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So this is kind of a random video, but I did want to make a sort of a parabolic watch for certain tickers or certain crypto that I'm looking at that I think might go parabolic possibly this week. Number one being Alice. We are about to close. It's basically going to be a 4-hour violent bullish close, right? And if you're part of the Patreon, you guys already know why. We have the reverse MACD creating a bull trigger way under the zero line at an almost -2. And you have the stochastic already overbought. Usually when people see the RSI or stochastic overbought like this, you know, a lot of other people, like I've told you guys before, you know, a lot of other people really use the stochastic and the RSI really wrong. And I teach you guys this in Patreon, and I let you know exactly why that's completely wrong. So Alice is one of them. SHILL right now, keep in mind, this is just for crypto, not for stocks. I will maybe look for stocks later to see what's going on. SHILL right now also is seeing a small downtrend, but it is retesting these highs. So it is on top of the bullish channel, and it did pass over 134. So if it crosses over this bullish channel, also expecting a parabolic move. The one that I'm really looking forward to right now is CRO. It is moving pretty hard again to the upside. And keep in mind, everything on CRO looks bullish, right? Everything on CRO looks bullish. The daily, the 4-hour, the hour, everything is switching bullish. And not even like that, but it's also going to close a violent 4-hour on the top of the overbought section of the stochastic. This one, CRO, you might have a little bit more room to go parabolic. I don't think it will actually go parabolic unless it crosses something over like $1.10, $1.12, 13 cents. It only goes parabolic if it goes above the top of the bullish channel, which I think it can, but I want to see exactly how far it goes. But it's already looking like it's gonna break previous all-time highs of yesterday of 94.5, and it's at 94.2. So would not be surprised. Oh, it actually just broke it. 94.5, 94.52. Yeah, it actually already just broke all-time highs. So super excited about CRO. I'm holding a huge bag of CRO. And also CWAR. This is something that I only told my Patreons about a while ago that I was on a watch list. Keep in mind, I haven't done an official micro cap release yet. So, you know, while these are on the watch list, they weren't an official micro cap for a full 100% gain. I haven't done that since I got out of, I think my last 100% was Boson protocol. I got out of that one. I don't know if I've done any more recent ones. It was just like the last update, but yeah, I haven't really looked at any micro caps for an official 100% gain yet. So far right now, I've just been trading cryptos like here and there. But again, the next one for a big power move to the upside, it already broke actual resistance at 254 or 250, yeah, 254. So even without trend, even without this bullish channel, I can see it run to 360. But I think if it breaks the top of this bullish channel, which is this blue line right here, I think it's going to get there a lot faster. Keep in mind, you know, this channel's been ongoing since November 18th, so really only a couple of days, possibly like a week. But you know, because you know CWAR is, you know, gaming based, and a lot of stuff in the gaming for crypto are starting to move super hard. So I would not be surprised if CWAR ends up breaking the top of the bullish channel and completely running to 360. Keep in mind, I still think 360 is going to hit because we already broke resistance. I don't think there's anywhere else to go but up right now for CWAR. But if it does break that bullish channel, it definitely can get there a lot faster. And it's also on the hour, it actually already closed a violent bullish trigger right here at around $2.60. The 4-hour looks bullish. The daily, there's not enough information yet. But everything looks completely bullish. And after closing that violent 1 hour, I definitely think it's primed to break the top of that bullish channel. So these are basically my parabolic watches for now. So CRO, Alice, SHILL, and CRO. I think CRO will take a little bit of time to get there because every single day that it passes by, the bullish channel price goes higher and higher, at least the top side of it. So as far as CRO breaking really hard and going parabolic, might take a little bit more buying power than the rest of these. But so far right now, I'm really looking for CRO and Alice to maybe break its bullish channel, maybe CRO sometime later this week or next week to break it. But I did a TA, I think yesterday or 2 days ago, about saying that, you know, I think that, you know, CRO is going to like the mid 90s, which it already did. It already ran to like the low 90s, mid-ish 90s sort of. So TPs or price targets already got hit, but I still think there's a lot of room to grow on CRO, and definitely more on these other tickers. So I'll see you guys later. I'm not going to be doing these parabolic things too often. This is usually only stuff that I post on my Patreon and our Telegram and our Telegram team, but this is just kind of like a sneak peek video of what happens when you like join the Patreon and stuff. But yeah, this is just my parabolic watch for right now. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.